What? There's more.
Building another fort. Box fort. And this is yeah.
Fifth?
Yeah, we're only John Bon Joviing right now. We are barely halfway there, dude. Assembly line in progress. Jackson pulling out his pizza box skills.
Yeah,
And Liz trying to make sense of all of these orders.
Lots of orders.
Lots of orders. We sold into the triple digits, which is awesome. So we have a whole stack of boxes. I'm sitting here signing all these guys. Liz is organizing the orders. Jackson's packaging. So gonna get these things sent out, but this is rad. No, thank you guys for all the support. Making some killer progress here with the pizza boxes. How's it going?
Good.
Yeah?
Yep.
Got some more information you want to share?
No.
Addresses and socials?
Yeah, everybody.
That's what we want.
Oh, wait, no, there's more down here. Jeez.
Where?
Looking good.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Oh, those are, yeah. Okay.
That's the doubles.
Those are the doubles.
Doubles.
Hamburger.
Ooh.
Burger,
Dude,
bro.
I just,
Burger,
I
bro.
was just thinking about a milkshake from there too.
You want a burger, bro?
Tell me a bro.
Oh.
I just want to print this label, bro.
Liz, I'm liking that top.
Thanks.
Yeah, looking cool. Looks very airy. Find some
Turn
free
the
stuff?
camera on, and then
Oh,
now
yeah, just
nothing's working.
See, this is the pain that we feel when we're working on the car. As soon as the camera comes out, we instantly start to struggle.
Yeah.
It is like
You can't make it
on,
up.
yeah,
can't make
on
it
cue. Red light comes on, everything fails.
I don't understand. I'm like, just print the shipping label.
All right, I'm turning the camera off. Back to work. Woo! Dang, girl.
Boxes on boxes on boxes.
Look at that. This is sick.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah,
Hands
thank
are
you.
I'm tired. Fingers are gonna fall off. Just kidding.
That was pretty, that was a lot. That's a, what?
There's 151 orders.
Wow. Wow, that's pretty awesome. So thank you so much, everybody. Really appreciate it. Still got a few left on the site, so if you missed out on that first drop, hop on there. So today we're putting a big upgrade on the Nissan Titan. I'm super excited about this one. I have been wanting to do this on this truck ever since I got it because let's just say it's a little dated inside. It is a 2018, it's a nice new truck, but it also does not have some of the features that a newer truck would have. And especially when you're jumping in and out, you know, having that like nice connectivity, hands-free involvement, taking phone calls, using navigation, all of those things. It is super handy to have a CarPlay system. And so I have been wanting to get one of these systems for the Titan, not just for the ease of making phone calls and doing some navigation, but also the off-road navigation because this has the Android software in it, so I can actually upload apps into it, and instead of having an iPad leaned up on the dash, I can actually run our off-road trails right through navigation. So check this unit out. It is a full screen, full replacement. Like I said, it's got the volume knobs on there. It's got a knob for the temperature control. It's got the navigation. Got a hazard switch, traction control, parking sensors, steering wheel heat still on there, just all the little amenities in the camera. I love that button. Without it just being a full touchscreen, you actually still have some of these nice physical buttons, of which I really love, especially that volume knob. So, like I said, this comes from Nifty City. They make so many different applications for so many different vehicles, and I'm really pumped to get this into the truck and bring this thing into the future. So yeah, Jackson's already got a bit of a head start on me, but this first little piece right here just snaps right out. It doesn't have any sort of hardware or anything like that. It's just got a nice strong button.
If you find
is what
the
it's
buttons,
got.
yeah. Really good buttons. Shout out Nissan for the...
Need a pin.
There you go.
So that guy that guy snaps out. Unplug these. Gives us some more access. And so we're just gonna keep working our way in. I'm gonna pull this bottom cowl tray off and then the glove box and see if we can find some hardware to get these side panels out, because there are screws down the sides here that hold this main panel in. Dude, new car stuff is so stressful.
seem like they want to just fall out, but they don't.
I think because these side pieces are still in. So a little bit of an update. We realized that if you want to take these all the way out, you've kind of got to take the console out as well. And we don't really want to do that. So you can get access to the screws. See that guy right there? There's one there, and then there's one down here. And then this whole center thing will pop out. So. To take out my Nickelback CD.
Oh man!
Now the big one.
Nice!
All right. Did you get the connector?
Yes.
All right. So now, I got the whole unit out. All 100 plugs. So
make sure to clean your inside of your dash. You're never gonna see again, but still clean.
Yeah. Okay. So now next step is to get this guy lined up. So it comes with a full plug and play harness, which is great. And so we're just gonna start getting these pieces in line and hooked up. So get these guys kind of laid out, make sure we have what we need. Perfect. Ooh, Bluetooth microphone. Okay, the main plug, got it. Alright, so first thing on our main harness, fire up this little cam plug. Okay, and then this one, give that a good stuff in. Okay, maybe not. Oh.
Ah.
There she is, nice and snug. Okay, because that's gonna pick up our main car harness,
stuff,
and these are all these females are that. So does this guy go back up here? To one of those? No.
No, doesn't look
These
like
are all
it.
small. Okay.
Here's we have this small guy, this small guy. These all have RCAs on the end of them, so.
Yeah, those would be expansions for
like
this.
for amplifiers and stuff, I would think.
Yeah.
Like
Here's your
yours,
outputs. Yeah, that's your rear sub. Right rear, left rear. Front right, left right.
Yeah, auxiliaries.
These
are all auxiliaries.
Yeah. Which we do not have a need for. We could just plug in to have it in there so I don't ever lose it.
Fair.
Okay, goes there. Oh, there it is. That's the can, yeah. There she is. That's the other male plug. Okay. So, yeah, this is for the can unit, so it's all still communicating. So we should just like double stick tape this on the back of this guy. That's your antenna. That's your GPS. And then we have our other two antennas as well. Plug right into here and here. These are all the factory plugs that we'll be plugging back in. This little can sync, we just double stuck tape right to the back side of this unit. And yeah, we can swoop her in there. Oh, it also has another little jump harness that has these two USB inputs, which is rad. So we'll be fishing those down into the console area.
A lot of plugs. A lot of plugs. Going fishing.
Catch anything?
Set the hook, you know.
Yeah. Okay, so those two. You're saying those two?
Yeah.
These two we don't have.
No, we don't. We just don't have the big one. We have this one,
All right.
these two.
All right, let's plug them in.
This guy. Yeah, I wonder what that big one goes to.
Oh, the big one. Oh, big one we gotta take off and plug back in. Got it.
Oh my god.
I should have screwed this thing back in before you undid those, but that's okay.
Just make sure you cross-thread your screws when you put them back in.
Hey, it's going into plastic. Get a within 10-degree approach angle. She'll find a way.
Figure it out, right? Use power tools on plastic too.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that all makes sense. So now we got a big plug back. All right, got this unit back in, and this piece it just snaps in the top, and then just 2 screws on the side to hold it. So much lighter. And we fished these wires through from, they used to be up here on the top side. We pulled them down through here. Just have a little easier access to plug in when we fold this guy up. Give a little heave ho.
Heave.
There's your other end. Nice.
Test.
Yeah, the old pull test.
It's the electrical standard.
Mm-hmm.
Just like this bucket connector.
Mm-hmm. Hey, I mean,
honestly, this is actually
a
high-grade butt connector.
This is.
This is the shrinkable one.
I'm not even. Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Whoa.
You heat it up and the ends, it's like built-in heat shrink.
Where's the heat?
Getting it.
Awesome. You got that? All right.
I'm like looking around, like, where's the cord reel?
It's above the truck. All right, get some exposure to this guy.
Make sure you
so
set it on your leather seat.
almost 100% plug and play, just one little connector. Probably because they have a 12-volt version too, maybe for different applications. You sure this shrinks?
Yeah.
Oh, there she goes. This is a high end.
Sure this shrinks.
That just takes a second to heat up.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, these are the good butt connectors.
Yeah.
It's
wow.
basically like a non-insulated with like heat shrink over it.
Dude, that's actually really nice.
Yeah, dude.
Look at that. That's high grade.
Good.
I mean, when it comes to radio install, that's as high grade as it needs to be.
A lot better than some things I've seen.
Yeah.
That is for sure.
Yeah, twisting and
yeah.
some. Where is it? The yellow guy.
It smells hot in here.
And some electrical tape.
I love that smell.
Yeah, grab that brown.
What? Oh.
Brown guy. Mm-hmm. Into this guy. And now this should power the, or be the feed.
For the Vidya?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
All right, now we're hooked up. With these guys out the way, let's see what happens.
We're gonna give it a test pop.
Gonna give it, yeah. I gotta do a test run before you. You know, I have confidence, but I don't have that much. All right.
This ain't boots right
Okay. Yeah. Might have to set the time on there. Got our altitude.
Is that accurate?
Dang. Bluetoothing. Okay. All right. Hang on. Here's the big test.
The truck still runs.
No signal.
Oh,
yeah! We're in.
Yeah, dude, I think this is parking sensors too. If we get this
Oh
hooked up, I think it'll show you.
that would be the sensors.
Yeah.
No way. I never had
Sick.
proxy sensors. Bird's eye and that. Hang on.
Nice.
Yeah.
Oh, you can change the.
Yeah.
Oh, that's sick.
Yeah.
Can you even do this in the?
What if I rough? Okay. I don't really mind, but that's backwards.
That is interesting because the camera's not. Wait, no, the camera is. I mean, you'll still know.
Yeah. Okay.
It is mirrored.
Okay. Oh yeah, look, my steering works. Nice.
Nice.
I'll probably turn these guidelines off because the Nissan ones are provided. So these are the ones that are for if you mount your own.
Right.
Because it has a feed. So that's probably what the 12-volt one is, because they provide, you can run your own camera, right? But since we're hooking up to the Nissan one, we do the 6-volt. Okay, that makes sense. Boom.
That's cool.
Yeah. That's so funny though.
I know. I wonder why it is mirrored like that.
Yeah, I don't know.
Are they normally like that?
I know.
I've never paid attention to that.
It's normal.
Wait, because like...
Is it reading normal? Is it... Wait.
I don't know. Is this showing your... Is everything
I was just going to say, yeah. How about... Is that the right door? No! The whole thing's mirrored.
It is mirrored, yeah.
Okay.
It's like this is what should be on the screen, but it's...
Yeah, the whole thing, yeah, because this used to be on this side.
Yeah. That's why I was seeing if this did anything, but it doesn't seem to mean what I think it means.
Hang on, there's signal type, auto, okay. There's definitely means to flip this. That's what's doing it. Okay. All right, we'll figure this out.